In this video, I will show you how to enable OnlyFans two-step authentication. So if you want to have an extra layer of security on your account in the form of a two-step authentication, then this is what you need to do for that. So first of all, we're going to open our OnlyFans app, or you can do this from the browser. From there, go ahead and click on the profile tab at the bottom right. And from here, you need to click on settings. Once you are in settings, you're going to click on account. And once you are in account, we're going to scroll down, and there under security, we will find two-step authentication. So let's click on this. And then we have two options to enable our two-step authentication. We could use an authenticator app, and that can be the Microsoft or Google Authenticator application for iOS or Android, or we can have a verification via SMS. So I'm just going with the authenticator app. So I'm going to click on that slider in here. And to be sure for OnlyFans that it is me, they will send me a code to my email. So I just need to click on this, and then I will need to enter this verification code in here. So let's go ahead and do that and then click on confirm. So I have filled in the code, and right now I need to scan this QR code at the top, or I can fill in the code in my Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator, and then I can just get a authenticator code. So I'm going to do that. So I have filled in the code, and as you can see, I have the authenticator app option enabled right now. And now I also have this additional option down below to have verification via Face ID. So once I do that, I will have another layer of security in my account. And if you are not on a device with Face ID, then you can also use something else, for example, fingerprint, just based on the eligibility of your device. But that is it for the video. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.